Hey, good afternoon. Mark Cervantes with Claroty, and I'm actually at Club Claroty right now. Sitting here with Gautam, Shankar, and we together we run the MSSP strategy. It's the response strategy and cyber insurance for Claroty globally. Uh, we thought we'd talk a little bit about some of the meetings that we've been in today. And one of the biggest topics that we've been into is the cyber insurance piece. Cyber insurance piece is something that we've had multiple requests for meetings during RSA. And what insurance companies are really trying to understand is how can they better wrap their head around the OT exposures that their customers have, or potential net new customers have. Obviously, a solution like Claroty provides that type of visibility. Uh, and ultimately, what they're looking to do is understand what the exposure is of the customer that they're potentially going to insure. The next biggest thing they're really trying to do is understand, okay, does that customer have a solution or not? They give them visibility. And then above and beyond that, what are they doing with that visibility to manage their exposure? Because as underwriters are taking a look at a new policy or renewing a policy, they're really trying to understand how can they mitigate the risk. And so, Gautam was in these meetings with me. He can talk a little bit more about the specifics from a technical standpoint that they were asking about. But I can say that of all the years of coming to RSA, hearing about cyber insurance, this is the year that it's probably blown up more than any, as I've had multiple requests and for meetings and impromptu conversations around this. Gautam, what specifically are you hearing, the technical teams, at these insurance carriers asking from us?
So we just had a couple of very interesting meetings with some of the largest insurance brokers, and they are very mature on the IT side of the world, from cyber risk perspective. When they're going to insure industrial customers, they want to get a better feel for what the OT risk is in the context of the customer. And Claroty as a platform, we provide unparalleled visibility and risk. And all the conversations have been centered around how can the insurance companies take advantage of what Claroty provides, the platform with the data. How can we give them risk profiles, okay, in the context of the customer's environment? Okay? And it's reporting. They want some very high quality reporting. They want very specific data elements. They want the data elements in the context of how things are getting implemented in the customer. And especially on the OT side, it's a little bit different than the IT side. So that's where we've had a lot of conversations, and there's a lot of interest because this type of data is not available, and it can really help insurance companies with their underwriting process.
Yeah, I think that hits the nail on the head. So, hey, we're here for 2 more days or 3 more days of RSA. If you're seeing this, you have some interest in talking about whether it be the cyber insurance practices as a whole, the MSSP industry, and how they're leaning in on providing exposure management around the data and fidelity that we're able to bring to the table. Please find us. We're in Club Claroty, which is at, what is it? The restaurant. Right behind the Moscow. Anyway, have a good RSA.
Yep, enjoy RSA.